Hello my dear students, welcome to my physics class. Look at the pictures. What are these? These are electric meter. And what is the function of this electric meter? This electric meter can measure how much electric energy is used. Therefore, our today's topic are electric power and calculation of electric bill in our house. Electric power. Power, the amount of work done per unit time is called power. If W amount of work is done in time T, then power P is equal to W divided by T. That is, here W is the amount of work done and T is the time. If W amount of work is done in time T, then power P is equal to W divided by T, and the unit of power is watt. We know electric potential V is equal to W divided by Q, or W is equal to VQ joule. Here V potential is applied to move Q charge in a circuit, and W is the work done or spent energy. Therefore, we can write P is equal to W divided by T. This is equal to W means VQ. Here W is equal to VQ. Therefore, VQ divided by T. And we know I is equal to Q divided by T. Therefore, here Q divided by T is equal to I. This is equal to VI. That is P is equal to V into I. This is the electric power. That is electric power P is equal to V into I. We know P is equal to VI. V is equal to IR. Here power P is equal to VI and V is equal to IR. From Ohm's law, we know V is equal to IR. From 1 and 2, that is from these two equations, we can write P is equal to VI, that is P is equal to IR into I. That is here VI, V means IR, here IR into I. This is equal to P is equal to I square R. That is another equation of power is I square into R. Here P is equal to VI and P is equal to I square R. Again we know I is equal to V divided by R. From 1 and 4, that is from equation 1 and 4, we can write P is equal to VI, P is equal to V, I means V divided by R, here I is equal to V by R, therefore V by R. This is equal to V into V, V square divided by R. That is P is equal to V square divided by R. Another equation of power, that is power P is equal to V square divided by R. Here P is equal to VI, it is a equation of power. Another equation, P is equal to I square R, and another equation, P is equal to V square divided by R. This is an electric circuit. Here I current is flowing through the resistance R and V is the electric potential. If I current flows through the resistance R, then the spent energy W is equal to PT, and here this is equal to I square RT. Here P is equal to I square RT. This spent energy will produce heat in the resistance R. That is, if I current flows through the resistance R in time T, then I square RT amount of heat will be produced in the resistance R. When T is equal to 1, spent energy I square R, that is I square R amount of heat will be produced in 1 second. And we can see in this equation W is equal to I square RT. When R and T are constant, then spent energy or heat produced is directly proportional to the square of the current flowing through this circuit. If current flowing through this circuit is 2 times, then spent energy or dissipated energy will be 4 times. If the current flowing through this circuit is 4 times, the spent energy will be 16 times. If the current flowing through the circuit is 3 times, then the spent energy will be 9 times. And this is equal to V square divided by R into T. By this equation, we can also determine the spent energy. In case of filament bulb, the current flows through the filament and this filament is heated to produce light. When this filament is heated, it will produce light. That is, a large portion of electric energy is spent to produce heat in this filament. That is, when this filament is heated, a large amount of current, that is large amount of electric energy will be wasted. If we touch the bulb, we can feel it, and we want light from this electric bulb, not heat. Therefore, a large amount of energy is wasted. Therefore, the use of filament bulb is being reduced nowadays. Nowadays, we are using energy saving bulb or LED bulb. The use of filament bulb is being reduced nowadays. The electric energy is not converted into heat energy only. The electric energy provides the energy for refrigerator, fan, television, and other appliances. How much electric energy is consumed by this electric equipment can be measured by the equation P is equal to VI. That is, in 1 second, energy consumed by the electric equipment is P is equal to VI. This spent energy is measured by the electric meter. This is a electric meter. We can see this type of meter in any house. This meter continuously measure electric potential V and electric current I, and from there it can measure spent energy per unit time. P is equal to VI. Now, conventional unit of electric power, we know power P is equal to W divided by T, watt. Here unit of power is watt. Therefore, electric energy W is equal to PT. From this equation, W is equal to P into T. If power is measured in kilowatt and time in hour, then conventional unit of electric energy spent is kilowatt hour. That is, the unit of power is kilowatt and unit of time is hour. Then the conventional unit of electric energy spent is kilowatt hour. This unit is called Board of Trade Unit, BOT, or briefly unit. The electric bill we pay is calculated in this unit. Therefore, spent energy is equal to PT divided by 1000 unit. Here power is measured in watt and time in hour. Here 1000 is for kilowatt. That is, here power is measured in watt. If we divide this power by 1000, then unit will be kilowatt, and time is measured in hour. Therefore, it will be kilowatt hour. P divided by 1000, that is watt divided by 1000 will be kilowatt, and hour, the unit of time is hour. Therefore, spent energy is kilowatt hour or unit. What is the resistance of the filament of a 60 watt 220 volt bulb. How much current is flowing here? This is the electric bulb. Here 60 watt and 220 volt. That is, power of the bulb is 60 watt and potential is 220 volt. Here power P is equal to 60 watt and V is equal to 220 volt. R is equal to watt and current flowing I is equal to watt. And we know P is equal to V square divided by R, or R is equal to V square divided by P. From this equation we can write R is equal to V square divided by P. This is equal to, here V is equal to 220 volt, that is 220 square divided by power P is equal to 60 watt. This is equal to 806.67 ohm. This is the resistance of the filament of this bulb. And again we know P is equal to VI, or I is equal to P divided by V. Here power P is equal to 60 watt and voltage is 220 volt. This is equal to 0.273 ampere. This is the current flowing through this filament. That is, resistance of this filament is 806.67 ohm and current flowing through this filament is 0.273 ampere. If a 100 watt bulb is lit every day for 14 hours in your house, what will be the total cost of electricity for a month? 1 unit cost is equal to 8.5 taka. Here power P is equal to 100 watt, that is power of the bulb is 100 watt, and time 14 into 30 hours, that is in one day it is used 14 hours and 1 month means 30 days. Therefore total time will be 30 into 14. Here 14 into 30 hours, and total cost is equal to what? We know spent energy is equal to PT divided by 1000 unit. Here power is equal to 100 and time is 14 into 30, that is PT means 100 into 14 into 30 divided by 1000 unit. This is equal to 42 unit. That is 42 unit electric energy is used to lit a 100 watt bulb for every day for 14 hours and in 1 month. Cost of 1 unit is equal to 8.5 taka. Therefore total cost of electricity is equal to 8.5 into 42 taka. That is, for 1 unit cost is 8.5 taka. Therefore here spent energy is 42 unit. Therefore total cost of electricity 8.5 into 42 taka. This is equal to 357 taka.